the LG, the 20 years and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy A10 for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy A10 is finally here at Straight Talk. It's available in royal blue there, so it's like a super strong blue. So that's the front, like really nice and front like that, and it has a hole punch on the front of the camera. So the Galaxy A10 is finally here. So you guys see the S Pen right there, your hole punch out for the camera and stuff like that. There's a screen there, 6.3 inch display. You can adjust to that just a tiny bit to make you guys can see that right there. Your volume and your power button is on the left side of the phone. On the back of the Galaxy A10, you guys have two cameras. Camera flash, Samsung right there. It has this royal glow color, so it's like different colors. You guys look at the end of the lights like different colors. So it's pretty cool, you know. I personally think it's cool. Personally, you know. Some of them might have differences about that, but personally, I think the royal glow version is really cool. It has Wi-Fi 802.11 ABDM ACAX. It has Bluetooth 5.0. 256 gigabytes of storage, 80 bytes of RAM. Your dimensions on the Galaxy A10, 5.94 inches, height 2.82 inches, width 31 inches depth. 35 users time, 6.3 inch display, dynamic AMOLED touchscreen display, and with the Full HD plus display. This one's Full HD. You have three cameras on back, which are all 12 megapixel cameras on back and a 10 megapixel selfie camera. It says introducing next level power. This Galaxy A10 isn't just a new smartphone, it's a gaming console, a film studio, it's a computer with an intelligent pin control. It's all in one device. Of course, you guys have the option to pay monthly or buy the Galaxy A10 for retail price, which is $949.99. If you guys have credit, it's $46.17 a month for 12 months. If you guys have voting credit, it's $113.19 a month for 15 months. Alright. The specs on the Galaxy A10, your dimensions again at 5.94 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 131 inches depth. The Galaxy A10 weighs 5.89 ounces, 3,500 mAh battery, 34 hours of talk time, 12.6 days of standby time, and 3G, 4G, LTE, probably Verizon towers in this phone here. Once you guys get my box, there's a lot of stuff. The Galaxy A10, USB cable, OTG adapter, travel adapter, ejection tool, S Pen tips and tweezers, extra earbuds, USB-C, AKG headset, S Pen. It says if service phone card is required for activation, funds not returnable or refundable. Service phone card is required for activation. Text SAN970 to 611 for mobile subscribers. The Galaxy A10 of course has Android 9.0 privacy Samsung Galaxy. It says laptop storage without the laptop with massive internal memory and external storage up to an additional 1 terabyte. This one does not have a memory card. The Galaxy A10 does not have a memory card. Rear facing camera, 12 megapixel f1.5 and f2.4. 1.6 for speed, dual pixel, 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide and a 12 megapixel f2.2 telephoto camera and front facing camera and 10 megapixel Ultra HD. So it's 12, 16, and 12 megapixel cameras on back. So you have a 12 megapixel wide angle camera and 16 megapixel ultra wide and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. Processor one step ahead, so it won't slow you down. Clock time Snapdragon 855.54. It's octa-core processor level, 6.3 inch display, dynamic AMOLED compatible touchscreen. So, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A10. It's now here at Straight Talk. Available in the global below there, which is really nice. You can sign it in the light. It will change color, so it's not $49.99 for retail price. So if you guys are looking to get a Galaxy Note 10 on prepaid, straight to our guys, you can with that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are listening online, peace, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.